So guys, to fix CapCut not working for the first method, you want to head over to the Play Store or the App Store. And now once you're on this, we're going to search for CapCut. Now once you're on CapCut, make sure that you have no updates that need to be installed. If you do, it's going to tell you. If you have an update that needs to be installed, you want to update it. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to find the CapCut application. Now once you find it, you just want to hold on it. Then you want to click on App Info. And then once this comes up, we're just going to scroll down and you want to click on Storage. Now you want to try both Clear Data and Clear Cache. If you're using an iPhone, it's going to look different, but it's still going to be pretty much the same steps. So now I'm going to click on Clear Data and then Clear Cache as well. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the last method, you want to hold on CapCut, then you want to click on Uninstall. Then you want to click on OK. And then once it's been uninstalled, we're going to head back over to the Play Store or the App Store. And you want to search for CapCut again. And then you want to install it again. Once it's been fully installed, this should now fix your problem.